Okay, question 19. So we've got three graphs here of three different types of meat and their prices per kilogram or per weight. Okay, first part question or part A, calculate the gradient using units for each graph. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the rise over run of each one of these. And I'm going to make the run 1 unit, or in this case here 1 kilogram. So I'm going to look at the price of each one of these three meats at 1 kilogram. So basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the figure where it crosses the line at the 1 kilogram mark. So I'm looking at that point, that point, that point, and that point. And I'm looking at the slope of that line because the slope of that line, or the gradient, is telling me how much that costs per kilogram. Okay, so let's have a look at the red line first, which is the lamb. Okay, so the gradient of the lamb, M equals rise over the run, and in this case here, the rise of the lamb is 15 units and the run is 1. So the rise is 15 units and the run is 1. So we have a gradient, so M equals 15. Now for the chicken, M equals rise over run. Now to make this comparable, we're going to use the same run of 1. So for a run of 1, the rise for chicken is 15 units. Okay, so it's 10 units. Okay, so the rise is 10 and the run is 1. So that gives us a gradient of 10. Okay, the last one is beef. The gradient is rise over run, and in this case here we're going to use the same run, 1, and the rise is, it's about, I think it's about $7.50 or $7.50. So the gradient of beef is approximately 7.5. Okay, what is the cost of 1 kilogram of each type of meat? Well, that's pretty simple now because we've already worked out the gradient or the rise over run for each one. So the cost of lamb is $15 per kilogram. So for every 1 kilogram, it costs $15. The chicken. The cost of chicken is 10 kilograms because it's $10 for every 1 kilogram. So the cost of the chicken is actually $10 for every kilogram. And the last one is the beef. How much does the beef cost? Well, the beef for every 1 kilogram costs us $7.50. So it's $7.50 for every kilogram. Okay, next one. What is the cost of purchasing a kilogram of lamb? Oh, that's pretty easy because 1 kilogram of lamb is $15 because it is $15 per kilogram. What is the cost of purchasing half a kilogram of chicken? Well, we know that 1 kilogram is $10. So half a kilogram of chicken is 0.5 times $10. So it's $5 for the cost of half a kilogram of chicken. 2 kilograms of beef. Well, we know that 1 kilogram of beef is $7.50. So 2 kilograms is 2 times $7.50, which is $15. Okay. Last part. What is the total cost of the order in part C? So we have $15, for lamb plus $5 for the chicken and another $15 for the beef. Add all that together and we get $35. So the total cost of that order is $35.